Morning, everybody. So the boss wake me up out of the bed early this morning to get up, come out and go walk because we have a rain for the last week or so every evening. So we not get for walk. And maybe because me not go out, go walk, contributes to the PNB being so aggressive. I remember in my glory days living in Portmore as a police. Every morning 4:30, I will be out getting 5 laps. We would go right around the Cumberland field. Many of us. And I am hoping that that lovely bunch of people continue to make their rounds in Portmore. A lot of you. Right. See Papa there come. Papa have insurance and Mama get like a walk. See me. Many of you write to me and I don't respond. And I don't respond to the fact of pride. I just respond. I don't respond because I don't know what to say to you. You're asking me about house and buying house and returning to Jamaica and all of that. I don't know how else to say it or what to say. I have my own house in Jamaica. From I was 17 years old, I have my own house. I don't like rent house, I always have my own house. We sold our house in St. Catherine because we were planning on buying a house in New Brunswick. Because New Brunswick houses are cheap. You can get a house in New Brunswick for $130,000. So we were planning on buying one. And then we changed our mind. I went online, saw a house selling online, purchased a house online 6 months ago, and then we returned to our yard because of my ill health. So I don't know what to say to you. This whole heap of excitement of buying house and owning house. I always have my own house. I just gave away one whole house of furniture because because we didn't have anywhere. We didn't have anybody to do due diligence for us. And we didn't have anywhere to store them. So we gave them away. So that's why I don't answer to you, because I don't know what to say.